let's identify that similar triangles. So here we have our big triangle, ZYX or XYZ, and we want to write a similarity statement regarding the three triangles in the diagram. So what you want to do is first we want to identify, yes, this is an altitude, and I can tell that's an altitude because it's going from the right angle of the big triangle, and it's going down to the hypotenuse, and it's creating a right angle, so therefore that theorem 62 holds. And so I do have three triangles, so you want to rewrite those triangles. And so we're going to take the big one, reorient it, and so we have X, Y, Z. And so how I do this is always go from the right angle. So there's the right angle. Now draw just three more triangles and always go from the right angle. And then a smaller one, however you want to do it. And then it's always going off the right angle. Well, the right angle of the medium one is W. Okay, and the right angle of the smaller one is on the other side of W. It's right here. So there's another right angle right there. So that is also W. Okay, and then the pointy end on the big one is Z, and the pointy one on the middle one was also Z. Okay, so which would leave us the other one, the medium one would be Y. And now this one, the long end is Y, the pointy end is Y, and the small end is X. Okay, so that's how I orient it. You just have to rework those, so that might be the harder part. And then I just write my similarity statement. Triangle ZYX. Oh, that's terrible. Jeez. Triangle ZYX is similar to triangle Z is related to Z. Then Y is related to W. Those are my right angles. And X is related to Y. It's similar to triangle Y is related to Z on the small one, and W is related to W and Y on the bigger ones, and X is the small side. Okay, so that's how I write my similarity statement of all three of those triangles. You just have to reorient it, move it around, switch it, and that's it. Okay, so here's your got it. Here's your QPR. Redraw these, and then because we have an altitude, right, I can use that theorem. So separate those and write your similarity statements. Okay, so redraw that. I would always go off the right angle. And then think about this question from the similarity statement in the first part that you do. Write two different proportions using SR over SP. So SR would be the distance from here to here, and SP would be here. So how can you write two different ones using those same numbers?